Friends, welcome back to another live. This evening, my beautiful subscribers and family, my word, man, I'm gonna do, tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a okra peanut carrot punch, okay? All right, I'm gonna show you all my ingredients. I have my okra, right? I have my peanut, right? I have my carrot, okay? All right. I have a little cinnamon powder here, and I have vanilla here. I have rose water, and I have almond. I have dragon stout, and I have supple gin, and I have a nutmeg. Okay? Watch this now, my people. You don't have to use the dragon stout because dragon stout contains alcohol. But that's what I like. I want this for myself, okay? You can use a malt if you don't associate with the alcohol, okay? So this is just my choice. You can do it whatever way you want, okay? So there's no further ado, please join the live, okay? Please join the live. Come on, my beautiful people. Your name? Okra Peanut Carrot Punch. Boss! And guess what, people? This is a... Guess what, people? Guess what happened? You know what this is what? This is a nerves food. This is a nerves food. Okay. Good for your nerves. Make you sleep proper night. Alright? This what I'm making here. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna get my water in my pot. Turn on my stove. I'm gonna cook the okra and the carrot together. And then I'm gonna get it blend, alright? That way I'm not have to strain anything. Okay? So get it started. Alright? I'm gonna peel the carrot because I don't know if it is organic, so I'm gonna get them peeled. If it is organic, I could just cook them with the skin, but I don't know if it is organic. Hello Emma, how you doing? Where are you watching from? Have a good night, good morning, good day. Alright? Blessing to you all. Alright, please join the live. Thumbs up the live, please, and thanks. I'm just getting my carrot prepared to peel, to put into the pot, alright? Get them washed and everything like that. Please join the live, please. Alright. Time is 9:30 now. Our time. What time you have? It's 9:30 now. What time you have over there? Wherever you are. I'm getting my carrot peel up. Please thumbs up the live. Please thumbs up the live. Thank you guys for joining in. Alright. I am making okra carrot peanut punch. Okay? And you see all my ingredients I'm gonna put in it. I'm just getting the carrot and the okra cooked. Then you get a refined blending. Please join the live. Please join the live. Please and thanks. Please. Whenever you join the live, please thumbs up the live. Please. If you're not yet subscribed, please do so. Touch the notification bell. That's when I upload another video, you'll be the first one to get it, alright? And we do a lot of great things over here. Some nice cooking. Nice stuff over here. So you can check out the channel and you see some delicious meal what I cook already. Alright? I'm just getting the carrot peel up to get them cut up, dice up, wash and dice up, and then get them in the pot, alright? This is a nerves food, good for your nerves. Okay? If you have a problem with your nerves, you should try this drink. It's good for your nerves, alright? Okay. I'll wash up my carrots. Get all these stuff out of the way. Use my cutting board. Alright. I'm gonna dice them up. Need them to cook fast, so I'm gonna split them also. Let them cook quickly. Please join the live, please, and thanks. Please thumbs up the live while you come. All my family and friends, please join the live, alright? The people, I'm asking for the support, you know. We need 15 subscribers to monetize, please. Help me to monetize, alright? 15 subscribers to monetize. It's been a journey. So please join the live. Give me a support, alright? Yeah. Please leave your comments. Alright. Yeah. Don't want to overpour my peanut, you know, with too much carrot. Feel like this is okay, you know. I am making peanut carrot okra, but I'm gonna name it okra carrot peanut punch. Yeah, it is carrot. I have carrot here. I'm gonna cook it, okay, with the okra, just to get it a nice refined blending that I don't have to strain anything. All right, it's a Mr. Eslop, good night to you all. Thank you for joining the live. Thank you. It's my time now. Come on, people, join the live, man. Come. I enjoy the nice punch, you know. Alright. I'm gonna get my okra wash and get them down the pot as well. OKra Carrot Peanut Punch. Wow. That's a beautiful okay. So please join the live and thanks. Please and thanks. Ugh. Get my okra washed off. And get them salt out properly. Get them cut up. Come my beautiful people, man, come join the live, alright? Need your support tonight. Please and thanks. The reason why I don't put in the okra with the carrot because the carrot kind of a little bit tougher than the okra, so I'm gonna make the carrot cook a little before I get the okra in, alright? I'm just getting it together. If you just join the live, please thumbs up, please. I am making a punch. It's a nerve juice, right? It's a nerve juice. Okra, carrot, peanut punch, alright? Okra, carrot, peanut. It's an okra, carrot, peanut punch, okay? I have cinnamon to go in it. I have supplegen. I have dragon. And I have rose water. I have vanilla. I have almond. Man, it's going to be nice. This juice come like food itself, you know, people. Work upon the nutrients tonight. Okay? Thumbs up the live as they come. Leave a comment, please. I know you guys would like to try this juice at home, and it's a very good juice. Very good juice. Make you sleep more comfortable. Make you relax more. You come in from a hard day's work. Get a glass of this punch here. Sitting down watching the television. My word, you're not even knowing a drop of sleep. Because your nerves get calm. Go to sleep so fast. Yeah. Please join the live, please and thanks. Join the live, please. Please thumbs up, please subscribe, alright? You can come over, Miss Eslot. You can come. Anytime you're ready. Alright, I'm getting my okra now. All who not get a proper sleep in the night, please try this drink. I know you will love it. You don't have to use the alcohol, you don't have to use the jagger with the alcohol, you can use a malta. But just because I want the alcohol tonight, to give me a different little vibes, you know? Yeah. Okay. Get rid of all of these stuff. Clean up my space. And get it going again. Okay. Get my cutting board washed off. I'm gonna use it again. Going to do now over here. Join the live, please and thanks. Join the live, please. Come on, my beautiful people. I'm on the live. Okay. Alright. Again, I'm making, I can share some stuff here again. I am making carrot okra peanut punch. I have here nutmeg, okay, supplegen, vanilla, what is this, rose water, almond, cinnamon powder, and a dragon. All these ingredients going into my punch, okay? So you guys stay tuned, watch what's going on, and I urge you guys to try this juice at home. I will never regret it. If you find yourself having problems to sleep, try it. You come back and thank me later, alright? So please, join the live, okay? Getting my stuff cooked up. Oh, I forgot. I'm a peanut. Yeah. It's a powerful nerves food, alright? I'm making a punch nugget. I'm making carrot okra peanut punch, alright? Please thumbs up the live. Welcome to the live, alright? Nice to have you. Okay? Thank you, sir. Alright, Alright, my beautiful people. This is another thing I'm gonna tell you guys about where you can try it, alright? Alright, I'm gonna get something to put my papaya into. I'm gonna peel my papaya. Oh man, I needed something for it. Okay, my beautiful people. Alright. And just RJ. Hello, RJ. How are you doing? Hello, RJ. How are you doing? Thank you for joining the live, alright? Thank you so much. You're always with me. Thank you. Thanks. Okay? Please thumbs up the live. Alright, my beautiful people. Guess this. Guess what's happening? Alright, watch this. I am going to peel my papaya. This is just for heating, but I'm going to tell you something about the papaya where you maybe not know. Okay? Alright, I'm going to peel my papaya. Alright. Would you know that papaya is good for your eyesight? Yes, man. It's good for your eyesight. Yes. If you're having problem with your eye, you can eat papaya, alright? But there's a way how to do it. Alright? You eat it before you go to bed at night. Alright? And if you have walnut, you can eat like 4 cubes of the walnuts with it going to your bed. Okay? Thank you, Nisi. Who is RJ? Tell me who is it? I don't recall that name. RGYA. YN. Give me a full initial, man. Give me a name. Hello. You know what I'm saying to you people? If you have eye problem, this papaya is good for your eyesight. Eat it in the night, like for instance, you have 1 papaya. You can peel 1 papaya. You can eat half of it. If your tummy can hold so many. Right? Eat half of it during the night before you go to bed. Alright? After you finish eat it, you can eat like 4 cubes of the walnut. Yeah. Good for your eyesight. You're not gonna just eat it 1 time, you know. I expect your eye will get better, you know. You understand, people? You eat it for like for instance, a week or so, straight every night. And you see improvement in your eye. If you have a problem with your eye. Okay? Enough people don't know that papaya is good for eye. They think it's only stomach papaya good for. It is very good for your stomach, like upset stomach and things like that. It's good for upset stomach. Also, if you have burned stomach, papaya is good for that. Okay? Because it's good for your eyesight also. Okay? Especially if it's ripe properly. Yeah. You can go and check it out if you guys don't believe what I'm saying. Okay? And everything is on the internet. Hi Cornelia, how you doing? Wonderful good night to you. Thank you for joining the live, alright? Thank you for joining the live, okay? Thank you so much for your support. I don't know. I'm gonna test this papaya and see how it tastes. First one. Man, the papaya is so sweet. Wow. It is very.
Double G. Double G.
Yeah. Good night, my beautiful nephew. Good night. What you doing? Good night, Double G. Good night, Double G. I am making a strong punch. I know your father that love some of this, you know. I know your father would love some of this. This is, oh, my God, this papaya sweet. Whoa. It is, I'm making papaya, no, not papaya, sorry. I'm making, so I'm dealing with the papaya. I am making OKra Carrot Peanut Punch, alright? And I have a lot of stuff to boost it up. This papaya, what I'm peeling, when I eat a portion of it before I go to my bed, good for your eyesight, people. Good for your eyesight. Most people don't know that. But I'm telling you guys. And if you have walnut, you can eat like 4 cubes of the walnut after you finish eating the papaya and go to your bed. My God. Wonderful. If you can do that for a week straight, you see the improvement in your eye, alright? Can I ask you? Okay. Oh, double G find my thing. Yeah. Join the live, please and thanks. Join the live. Join the live stream, please. And please thumbs up the live as it come. Okay? I'm asking for your thumbs up, their support, alright? I need 15 subscribers to be monetized. Please help it to be reach there, okay? Thank you guys. Help me to reach that milestone, okay? My word, the papaya is so sweet. Whoa. We have all these beautiful fruits. What's good for our body and we don't know about it in people. My God. We don't know how about all these nutrients in these fruits. What's good for us. Man. If we can go natural, people, that will be great. If you can grow your own things and eat it, that will be great. All of these things we're eating now is like, you know, everything tamper with. So we need to grow our own stuff. You know what you put on your stuff, you know? You don't know what is on these stuff. People, sweet. Okay. I'm gonna get this off the table. Food. Yes, Double G, you can get some, but not a lot. Just a little. Let you sleep. While you're young. Okay? Sweet like, whoa, the papaya is sweet, people. Nah, lie. Papaya is so sweet. Good for you to eat in the night, alright? Good for you guys to eat in the night before you go to bed. I know most of you guys I know most of you guys have problem with your eyes because the computer and the phone and all of that damage your eye. But remember this, you have a solution for it. Can fix. As I tell the people, just try the papaya. In the night, before you go to bed, eat like half a papaya before you go to bed every night. And if you have walnut, when you finish eating the papaya, eat like 5 cubes of the walnut. And you're good.
No, we got tonight.
Who's that? Yeah. I didn't prepare for that, I didn't prepare for any riddle, but I don't know if anything can come out of my head. Yeah, Jay?
RG.
RG? Okay. Huh? I don't know what I said to go. Alright, I'm gonna test my stuff if it's cooked. Oh, the carrot cook. And the okra could have cook. I'm gonna give it a little more time. And give it like 2 more minutes and get everything up. Okay? And then we get it cool and then we start the blending, people. And you will see the process from there and see how much. And you will see the texture and juice, you will see everything. And remember me tell you. Uh, you know about Anansi and Tukuma with the porridge? Huh? Well, Anansi smart. Anansi just sit, they boil a pot of calm milk porridge, my people. And Anansi say to Tukuma, I bet you can't drink that porridge hotter than me. Tukuma say, okay, because Tukuma always want to challenge Anansi, but Anansi always outsmart Tukuma, you know what I'm saying? Tukuma always outsmart in Tukuma, Anansi. I ever want to challenge Anansi. So Anansi said, okay, I'm going to show you that you cannot drink off this porridge hotter than me. So what Anansi did, Anansi said, okay, this porridge is too cold for me to drink. This is not hot enough. So he said, put my porridge in the sun, make it get hotter. Meanwhile, Tukuma have female in the dish. Just little heat coming out of it and him take time and him cool and him drink and not knowing that Anansi porridge is cooling in the sun because the breeze keep on blowing and everything like that. Meanwhile, him take him time drinking enough to blow and cool it. By 10-15 minutes then, by the time you reach halfway through porridge, Anansi just take a film and taste it, say cool and it goes whap. Done. Tukuma can't believe how him drink it and it's supposed to be hotter than female. You know what I'm saying? But that's the trick. Tukuma didn't know that it was cooling, thought it was gonna get hotter because the sun is hot. Man. So you have to understand those stuff and they don't make people smart and go around them. Sometimes people talking to you have to listen careful what they're saying because sometimes they use a little tricks and you really just fall for it. They didn't hear what the person said properly. And you get yourself in trouble, man. So you have to be careful. Yeah, my juice is almost ready to blend. I'm just letting it cool a little. And just letting it cool a little. I don't want to blend it that hot. Although I can use some ice and blend, but I don't want to use any ice in it, okay? Although I can get some of this stuff. Oh, I suppose I can get okay. I could blend the peanut in the meanwhile because I'm gonna blend the okra and the carrot together. So I can blend the peanut and get it in a container and then I throw everything together and mix everything together, but I don't want to do it that now. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I don't want too many water in my stuff. I want to use the Sopogen and the dragon to blend some of it. Okay? But the water what cook the okra and the carrot, I'm gonna use that water because the strength inside the water. Alright, people? It's boil, it cook, so it shouldn't get out into the water. So we're gonna use that water also. Just that water alone. The rest of stuff gonna blend with the suppagen and the jagan. Okay? So please join the live, please and thanks. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Please thumbs up, leave a comment. Alright? And just watch out the rest of the live and you saw my juice come out. Okay? So thank you all of you guys on the live. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for coming out. Thank you much. Thank you so much. Okay? I appreciate it. Yeah. Time on here. I'm gonna get my peanut blend up, okay? I'm gonna get my peanut blend up. Yeah. I'm gonna get my peanut blend. I needed a container to get it in. Alright, I'm getting a container. Alright, I get a container, I'm gonna get it rinsed out. Okay. Alright, this is it. I'm gonna use this, mix everything all in this container here. This is it. I'm gonna mix everything all in this container. I'm gonna let my peanut blend up. Okay. Alright. We know I don't want to use a lot of peanuts because I don't want to overpower the okra, you know? Alright. I'm gonna use what should I use? The dragon. I'm blending. I think I use my hand to pull it. Nice. But it just spinning like this. I don't like that. Where's my work now? Okay, here you go. Damn. Alright. Go back where you're from. I'm gonna use my dragon to blend this peanut. Okay. So my people, my. I want you guys to try this at home, you know. And guarantee you're gonna come back to me and say, all-purpose kitchen, that juice worked. It put me to sleep in the night. I get wonderful sleep in the night. I'm coming home from work tired and I have some juice like this in my fridge. Take a glass, bam, knocked out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do a little blending, so please forgive me for the noise, alright? Oh Lord. Yeah, I'm gonna get my blender on now. Oh, too much. Too Oh yeah, check it out, check it out, check it out. And it's too thick. So I'm gonna put a little of my supper in it too. I use the rest in the rest of what I'm doing. And get this. Okay, my people. Getting some supper in that because it's too thick. Yeah. Alright. It's too thick. I'm gonna tip a little water in it, just a little. I have enough water, but it is very hot, so I can't use that as yet. Yep. Yes, my beautiful people. Man, this is so rich. I want it so rich. I didn't want it so rich. I don't want to use too many water, but you know, it's okay. It's alright. I'm gonna get it. Alright. This is my peanut blend. That is my peanut. I'm gonna use this oh, there's so much peanut trash inside of it. I'm gonna use I'm not gonna wash out my blender because it's a lot of juice inside of it, alright? I'm gonna get some ice. And see if I can. Yes, my beautiful people, please join the live. Please join the live. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some ice because this thing is hot, so I'm gonna use some ice with it. Okay, I'm gonna use some ice. I'm going to use some ice, my people. I'm going to use some ice with it because it is very hot. So I'm going to use some ice. I know you guys gonna love this juice now. Whenever you guys try this juice, yeah, it's a smoothie punch, okay? It is a smoothie punch. Alright? So you guys, you will see that I'm finished. I'm gonna use some ice in this just to kind of cool it a little. Just to cool it down, okay? And get some more ice for the second blend. I have hair in my head. I just tie my head because I love to use do-rag on my head. But I have hair on my head. I'm not a bald head. I have hair on my head. Okay? Look at this, people. Look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, Lord. My people, I know for a fact you're not going to love this. When you try it at home, you're not going to love this. I'm telling you, people.
It's always trouble and worries.
Trouble and worries giving peer trouble. Trouble and worries giving trouble, you know? I have to school them. Okay? I'm gonna need a little bit of. No, I have super gin here, man. Yeah. Yes, man. This is my stuff. Alright, my people. This is the last blending. Okay? Yeah, I know you guys would like this juice, but this is a potent juice. Powerful juice. Huh? Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you. See you on the next one, alright? Thank you. Okay. Look at this, my people. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. No, man. I can't handle this alone. People, I need some help with that juice. I've been drinking that juice, I know. Wake up, Daddy Double G, make him see them powerful juice over me and make. Wake him up, Daddy. Wake up, Daddy Double G. People, I have a tip of the water. I don't want to get too much, you know? Too water, you know? Oh God. I need help to drink this. People, I need help. Look here, people. Look here. It look like, this look like, what do I call this now? Oh my God. People. Oh, my nose is about to water, you know? My nose. It smells so nice. I'm gonna use some condensed milk and get it sweetened. Which me know me don't really have to use the milk, you know. Cause the carrot sweet. My God. Now there's a little milk in it, just a little bit. People. Wow. Alright. Time to add my ingredients now, okay? This is my nutmeg. It's not nutmeg, it's something egg. This is something egg. Alright? Gonna grate a little bit tonight. People, that juice are going nuts. It's nice already, let me finish. Just taste it. It tastes kind of sweet. I'm gonna put no milk in it yet. Oh Lord. Supplement sweet. The carrot and the carrot sweet. Alright. One ingredient's gone in that what? There's something egg. Alright. Gonna get a little rose water tonight now. You don't want to put too much in the carrot. It will bitter. I'm gonna put a little almond in it also. I'm gonna throw this little almond in it. It's finished. Alright. I'm gonna add my vanilla. Then I'm gonna add a little cinnamon powder, not a lot. Just a little. Just to boost it up a little. Alright. I'm gonna stir this. Then I'm gonna use my condensed milk and get it up, alright? People, I'm telling you, you know, some of the men them out there, you know, them need them type of juice, you know, to get them up and running, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Remember, you know, your body work with your nerves, you know, so if your nerves don't function right, you know, everything half, so you know it go. So the man them can make that juice, yeah. And you know say, yeah, I'm gonna get my condensed milk. Okay? This is it's a little intermission. Pre-cut. Assume me back. Advertisement. Assume me back, okay? Alright. Wow. Alright, here is my condensed milk I have here. I'm going to use this to sweeten it, okay? Oh. Alright. Man, I'm messing up myself. Do too fast. Yes, my beautiful people. Join the live, alright? If you just join in the live, I make carrot okra peanut punch. I had my ingredient, I had some ingredients to it. I had a dragon, I had rose water, vanilla, almond, and nutmeg, and a supple gin, alright? Alright, what I'm gonna do, I need a little more milk. Could tip a little bit of salt in it, you know, just a little bit of salt. in case, you know. Because sometimes some people, you know, belly kind of 100 like that, you know, but a little bit of salt protect you from all that, you know. But it's me going to drink it, so I'm okay. My belly is good. Join the live, my beautiful people. Thumbs up the live, alright? Please and thanks. Man. Oh Lord. The people need enough to taste this, you know. Just use the whole of the milk, you know, cause little bit fresh. People, we need enough to taste this, you know. Oh God. We need enough to make this at home, you know. This is a powerful juice. Powerful. Man, it's here, it is here, it is here in this plate, it is here. The glass is here. This is a powerful juice. I'm telling you, man. I need you to try this at home. Okay? I need you guys to try this at home. Look at the texture at the punch. Look here. You could have just drink this and not eat any food at all. No food at all. You could just drink this and this hold it for the day. Because it's well potent. You know what I mean? It's rich. A lot of protein. Man. I tell you guys earlier the papaya, where you see me peel? It's very good for your eyesight. Just peel a fresh papaya at night time. You put it in your fridge. Don't eat it at the same time when you take it out of the fridge. Put it out like 30 minutes before you consume it. Alright? That way you get the benefit from it. Okay? If it's cold, it's gonna take a longer time to work. Okay? So you guys just peel the papaya, eat half of it every night, and eat some few walnut with it. Man, it's surprised your eyesight improve in a week or more. Understand? Oh my God. Hey, I wish I could have buckled up this thing and sell it. I'm telling you, man, it is so delicious. Oh God. It tastes so nice. Not because it's me make it, but I'm telling you, it is so nice. I'm gonna get a glass with some ice, and I'm gonna throw some in that glass, and I'm gonna cheers with you guys. Oh God. I'm gonna cheers with you guys. Cheers. Get some ice in the glass. Get some ice in the glass. Get some ice in the glass. Hold on, my people. Hold on. I gotta get it in some in here. Everything is not done. This is my juice jug. Yeah? This is my juice jug. I'm gonna throw it in some in this juice jug here. See it? Nothing have to be strained. It is just phenomenal. Wow. How beautiful. Look at this, my people. Look at this. Take a good look at this. Just take a good look at this, my people. Take a good look at this. Huh? I'm gonna try licking my milk tin because I like to stir it and get it sweet and drink, okay? Join the live! Please! Thumbs up the live as you come. Okay? Man, I have to drink this, man. Mm. 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 The people, my reason there now. I'm wipe out one more. My reason there now, my people. I'm not bragging and I'm not boasting, alright? I'm telling you guys, this is so nice. If you guys make this and drink it at night time, you know, no problem with sleeping. Remember me telling them people, it is so nice. It's refreshing. It's smooth. Oh my God. So all the man them we have trouble with sleeping in the night and the women them, try this sponge. Alright? Remember, okra, carrot, peanut. Okay? You can do it whatever you want. You can blend the carrot and strain it and do it like that. But in order for not straining it, you just park up the carrot and the okra and blend it and get a smooth finish. Okay? Look at my juice. Look at this. Oh God. Cheers to my lovely subscribers and family and friends. Cheers. Mm. 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 Ah. Damn. Girl. Man. I have the story. Wow, too much. Oh my God. Look at this. Mm. 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 People, the glass now I move from my mouth. Double G, I know I love this youth. If you taste this, you wouldn't stop drinking this. I tell mommy and daddy every time we make this drink for you. Mm. Mm. Whoa. Beautiful. Mm. Mm. People, I turned up the live, alright? I want to try that juice and come back from the comment section and come tell me how it tastes. Come back and tell me how it tastes if it's not a good punch. Alright? So please like, share, and subscribe, you know. Please, we need 15 subscribers. Monetize. We need to reach a milestone, people. Please, and thanks for asking for the support. Please, okay? Man, cheers again. Oh God. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Man. Juice wanna make you dance, people. Them juice wanna make you dance. Mm. Yes, man. Nice. Mm-hmm. Ah. People, you don't have to eat no food and then drink them juice, them puncher. Them puncher alone. Hold you up, you know? You don't need no food. Sometimes you have to stop eating. You know, sometimes you have to just cool off of the food and have some of them punch in your system. Keep you energized. You know? Sleep when you have to sleep. Up when you have to up. Work when you have to work. You understand? Yes, man. So now please thumbs up live, yeah? Give me a thumbs up for this powerful puncher, man. Look at this. Look at this. Give me a thumbs up for this powerful punch, man. Wow. The people, you never try it. I beg you. I want to try it. Now come back in my comment section and tell me what it tastes. Because maybe people maybe say, okra can go with carrot and make juice. Try it, my people. It's a very powerful punch, alright? Sweet name okra and it's slimy and thing. No. It not get a slime on people. Just nice, get a nice texture and a nice taste. Now give it a slime. It's not like when you steam fish and thing, you get that, you know? The carrot bring it to a level where you know taste no slime in it. Nice. Mm-hmm. Now maybe if you guys, any one of you guys know nutriments. One time you used to have nutriment, a drink named nutriment. This tastes exactly like nutriment and rich exactly like nutriment. Yep. I don't know if any of you guys remember nutriments we used to have in Jamaica. This remind me of nutriment. Yeah. Before you have supple, then you used to have nutriment, it was the name. Yeah, this remind me of it. I'm telling you. So please subscribe, alright? Like up the video. See me? Give thanks to who joined the live and everything. God bless you all and you know, respect and thanks. Okay? So see you on the next live, alright? I'm going on live tomorrow morning if live's there. So I'm gonna cook some curry chicken with some soft yam and some we call it now dasheen in the morning. Okay? You guys will see what I'm talking about in the morning. So please take care. Be good. If you can't be good, be careful, alright? Walk good. Thank you.